Hey guys, welcome back to 𝐓𝐈𝐄𝐄𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐆 weekly forex forecast. First of all, last week it was amazing. We hope all of you made money. And today, we decided to give you a free lesson because you deserve it. In forex trading, you must build a probabilistic mindset and you should understand that. 1. Forex is all about choosing a trade with the higher probability chance of success. 2. Anything can happen in the market. This means that the market can do anything at any given time. This is why you must have a system that respects this risk, and we have that. 3. There is a random distribution between wins and losses, and due to the law of the large numbers, if you have an edge in the market, in the long run you will win. So what's an edge? 4. An edge is nothing more than odds tilted in your favor. So it's only a point where you know that you might have a high probability chance of being right on what could be the next move in the forex market. And this is where wave analysis kicks in. If you learn it correctly, you will have that edge. 5. Every moment in the market is unique. When you understand the above 5 points, guys, you will not put unrealistic expectations on a single trade, and you will be forming a winning attitude. If you find this helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Here is one more thing, guys. Expect a big announcement from us in 2 weeks' time. Stay tuned. And now, let's go to our weekly forex forecast. Most of the trades have gone exactly as expected, so let's start with the XY. If you remember, we did say, guys, we are expecting the XY to move to the downside and the market went down. If you are in a sell position, manage your trade. If you are not in, wait, we can get a corrective structure here and then downside again. We are expecting more downside for the XY. Downside, down move. Pound dollar, let me remind you, from here we did say, guys, we can get one more move down. We will not sell it and we will focus on our buy setups. If you remember that, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We did say, guys, we are focusing on our buy setups because we are forecasting 1,000 pips to the upside. The market already went up 350 pips. Now, if you are in, manage your trade. If you are not in, next, we are expecting here a corrective structure downwards and then upside again. If we get this corrective structure and you are not in, you can go for this one. So pound dollar, next move is corrective structure to the downside. If you are not in, wait. Euro dollar, one more time, we did say, guys, we are expecting upside and the market went up. If you are in, move your stops. If you are not in, wait. We can get a corrective structure and then you can go for this one. The direction and the move, it will be to the upside. This is what we can see. Euro dollar, we can see it up. We are expecting upside and this is the direction we are looking for. Pound Oz, for this one, we can see one more move down and then upside again. If you don't know how to trade these waves, leave it for now. We are expecting downside, but this is a bigger corrective structure and this is a complex one. If you don't know how to trade these waves, leave it for now and focus on other pairs. Aussie dollar, we hope all who trade Aussie dollar are in this buy. If you remember, we did say, guys, we are forecasting this up move and the market went up. If you are not in, wait, we can get a corrective structure and then one more move up. We are expecting upside, up wave in Aussie dollar. Aussie New Zealand, one more pair. We did say, guys, from here we are expecting upside and the market went up more than 450 pips. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. What we are expecting here, we are expecting one more move up. If you know how to trade this up move, you can go for it. For us, we are expecting one more move up in Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Yen, we did say last week, if you want to trade Aussie Yen, go for your buy setups and go for your up move. We did get this up move. Now, if you are not in, wait. In this structure, guys, we can get one more move down. We will not sell it. If we get a corrective structure here, we'll go for this up move. So, Aussie Yen, if you are in, take profits or move your stops. We're expecting here corrective structure and then one more move up. If the market here will go to the downside due to a specific corrective structure, we will not sell it. Pound CAD, for this one, we are in a bigger corrective structure. The next move, it will be to the downside and then upside. If you are not in, leave it. Leave this one and trade other pair. This is a complex structure. Leave it and trade other pairs. CAD Swiss, for this one, guys, if you are in this buy, move your stops. We did say we are expecting an upside and the market moved to the upside. If you are in this buy, guys, move your stops or take profits. It's your decision. For us, we are expecting one more move up. If you are not in, leave it. If you are in, just move your stops. If we will get any sell setup, we'll update you later on. For now, the sells are not ready. Euro Swiss, if you remember, we did say, guys, we might get one more move down. We'll ignore it and we'll look for our buy setups. The market went down and upside. Now, what next? We will get a corrective structure here, and if we get a corrective structure, we'll go for this one. So Euro Swiss for us, we are waiting a corrective structure here to go with this up move. Otherwise, we will not trade it. Swiss yen, also this is moving as expected. We did say we are expecting upside and the market went up. Now, if you are not in, wait a corrective structure to go with this one. We are expecting upside up move and we are waiting a corrective structure to go with this wave. This is a move and this is a wave we are looking for. Upside up wave. Dollar CAD, one more forecast. If you remember this one, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you are in this sell, take profits. We did say, guys, we are expecting one more move down. We've got this down move. If you are in this sell, take profits. Why? Because here now we can get an up move correctively or impulsively. In all cases, we are expecting now an up move. If you are in this sell, take profits. Dollar Swiss, this is moving exactly as expected. We've got this down wave and we are getting this up wave. If you are in this trades, manage your trades. We are expecting this up and then downside again. We'll focus on our sell setups and this is the wave we are looking for. Downside, down wave. Euro Oz, for this one, guys, if you remember, we did say last week, if you are in this sells, move your stops. Because in this structure, we can see one more move up. Instead, the market went down. Great. If you are in this sell again, move your stops. Now, in this structure, guys, we can see one more move up. If you know how to trade this up move, go for it. For us, we are waiting this sell setup, and if we see a very good buy setup, we can go for this up. So upside and then downside. The bigger picture and the bigger wave is to the downside. Euro CAD, for this one, guys, you know we are not in the sell and we are waiting one more move up. In this structure, we are waiting one more impulse to the upside. If the market make a corrective structure, we'll go for our sell setups. For now, we are still waiting one more move up. This is what we are looking for and this is what we will trade. Pound Swiss, for this one, wait a corrective structure and then you can go for your buy setups. For us, we are waiting this bigger corrective structure and then one more move up. The direction and the move, it will be to the upside. Euro New Zealand, for this one, you should remember our forecast. We did say, guys, we are expecting this big wave. The market went down more than 400 pips. If you remember that, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you trade Euro New Zealand, you should be in this sell. And if you are in this sell, just move your stops. We are expecting more downside. XBT, for this one, we are expecting corrective structure and then one more move down. This is a wave and this is the move we are looking for. Downside, down wave, no buy setup for us. Any buy setup now, we will not take it. CAD yen, we've got this up move and now be careful. We can get this corrective structure. Be careful, do not jump in. If you are not in this trade, leave it for now and wait the structure. We'll update you later on. If you are in, manage your trade only. Dollar yen, leave this one for now and focus on other pairs. For this one, we are expecting upside correctively and then corrective structure. If you are not in, leave it. If you are in, manage your trade. For this one, leave it and focus on other pairs. New Zealand dollar, one more pair moving exactly as expected. If you are not in, wait. We can get a corrective structure and then upside again. This is the move we are looking for. Upside, up wave. If you are not in, do not jump in. Wait this corrective structure and then you can go for this up. Go back and check our last weekly Forex forecast to go through this forecast, guys, and this predictions. We forecasted this moves and the market moved exactly as expected. Let's go. Gold, for this one, let me remind you, we did say last week, guys, in this structure we can get one more move up even though we'll not trade this up move. Go back and check what we said last week for gold. We did say, guys, we'll get one more move up, we'll not trade it, and we'll focus on our sell setups. Most of our traders, they are in this sell, and in our trading room, we managed to get in this sell. If you are in this sell, guys, move your stops. If you are not in, wait. We can get more downside, corrective structure, and then downside again. We are expecting this down move in gold. You know our forecast, and you know that we are expecting a downside, and this is what we are looking for. If you are in the sell, manage your trade. Silver, for this one, if you are in from here, take profits. We are getting a bigger corrective structure and then upside again. If you are not in, leave it. And if you are in, take profits. Bigger corrective structure is expected for silver. Dollar Mexican, again, this moving exactly as expected and the market went down. We did say from here, guys, we are expecting a downside, a down move, and the market went down. If you are in, manage your trade. We are expecting more down. New Zealand CAD, for this one, guys, we can get one more move down. We will not sell it and we will focus on our buy setups. Remember pound dollar, right? We will not sell this one and we'll focus on our buy setups. If you don't know how to trade it, leave it. Pound New Zealand, in this one we are getting a corrective structure, bigger one. Leave it for now and focus on other pairs. New Zealand Swiss, one more forecast. This is moving exactly as expected. Take profits if you are in. We are expecting here a corrective structure to the downside or one more move down. In all cases, if you are in, take profits. New Zealand Yen, this is also moving as expected. Upside, up move, and the market going to the upside. Wait this corrective structure to go with this bias. If you are not in, wait this one to go with this bias. If you are in, manage your trade. US oil, again, we did say, guys, we are expecting one more move up. The market went up, and in our trading room, we did manage to get in this trade. If you are in this trade, move your stops. If you are not in, leave it. You should not enter from here. Now, what next for this one? We are expecting more upside. This is the wave we are looking for. Upside, up move, and you know our forecast. Upside, up move to these levels. If you are not in, leave it. And if you are in, move your stops. Euro Yen, you know our forecast. We are expecting upside, up move, and the market went up. If you are in, manage your trade. We are expecting more upside. Euro Pound, for this one, guys, from here we did say we are expecting downside and the market went down. If you are in, manage your trade. We are expecting more downside. We can get bigger corrective structure, but we are expecting downside. This is a wave and this is a move. Downside, down wave. Aussie Swiss, this is also moving exactly as expected. If you are in this trade, take profits. We are expecting corrective structure or impulses downside. Take profits and wait the structure. Pound Yen, this is following our arrows, guys. If you are in, take profits. We are expecting a corrective structure and then one more move up. If we get this corrective structure, we'll go for this upside again. For now, if you are in, just take profits. Nifty, for this one, guys, you know, from here we did say we are expecting a downside and the market went down. If you are in, manage your trade and the market will make a bigger corrective structure. Don't panic, just move your stops and then one more move down. We can see one more move down. Your worst case scenario, it should be profits because you must be in from here. Nasdaq, if we get a corrective structure here, we can go with one more move up. If we get a sell setup, we can go for this one. For us, if we get a sell setup, we'll go for this one. If we get a corrective structure, we will not buy it. SPX, for this one, guys, if we get a sell setup, we'll go for our downside down wave. If we get a sell setup, if we get a corrective structure, we will not go for this buys. Aussie CAD, again, we are expecting this corrective structure. The market is giving us this bigger corrective structure and then one more move down. This sell setup, guys, and this sell, we will not go for it. We will not sell this wave and we'll go for our buy setups. This is the wave we are looking for. Upside, up wave, no sell setup for us. Even though we know this market, it can go one more move down. Dollars are in this one, guys, you know, we forecasted this up move, the market went up, and we forecasted this down move, the market is going to the downside. If you are in this sell, move your stops. Some of our traders are in the sell exactly from the top. If you are not in, we can get a bigger corrective structure and then downside again. This is the wave we are looking for. Downside, down wave, no buy setup for us. If you don't know how to trade it, leave it. Dollar TRY, again, one more pair exactly as expected. We did say, guys, we are expecting downside, down wave, and the market went down. If you are in this sell, manage your trade. We are expecting more downside. This is the wave we are looking for, and this is a move. Why? Because this is the structure, guys, for one more move down. You are 30. For this one, guys, wait this corrective structure. If you are not in, leave it. Wait this corrective structure and we'll update you later on. Bitcoin, we can get one more move down and then upside again. This is the wave we are looking for. Upside, up wave, no sell setup. This is investment and you know our view on Bitcoin. XRP at any time, this one it can shoots up. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, you can go for this one. For us, this is a good investment and this at any time it can shoots up. If you want to invest, this is a good investment. You know that here in YouTube we are giving you our point of view on what could be the next move in the market based on wave analysis, and it's not a signal service. You might be making money out of our weekly Forex forecasts, but to master Forex trading and wave analysis and be a successful trader, you need coaching. So our next course will be in a few months from now. If you would like to join us and learn from us, send us an email to wetradewaves@gmail.com, put next course details as a subject and we'll send you all the details. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and share this video in your social media platforms, and see you next week.